Hey everybody, it's your pal Seth from Golfdom Magazine, hanging out outside on a lovely February afternoon. I want to talk to you about the new issue of Golfdom Magazine. It's out right now. I hope you'll check it out. We're pretty excited about it. We got a lot of good stuff in this new issue. Some coverage on nematodes. Carl Dannenberger checks in with us about asking if we need to go back and revisit some of the old bent grasses that have kind of gone away. There's also some advice on controlling fire ants. I have a 19th hole interview with Mark Muniz, Director of Agronomy out at the club at Lansdowne in Virginia. And of course, the cover story is about a recap of the Golfdom Summit, some of the things that those guys had to say. So I hope you'll check it out. I'll get back to my reading. Go Chiefs. Thanks as always for your support at Golfdom Magazine.